Hey guys, back with another video. Today we are doing an RBT project. Today's project we are going to be planting a vegetable. Some people use seeds, but I'm using an onion from a bulb. This project is due October 7th, so I have about 7 weeks to chart the growth. I'll record it every week to see how it grows. The first thing that we need is an onion, a glass, some toothpicks, and water. So let's get into it. Okay guys, now that we have all the ingredients, let's peel out the outer layer. Now that we have peeled out this outer layer of the onion, okay, we add 2 toothpicks on the top of the onion. Okay. Now we add some water in the glass. Next, I will be adding some fertilizer in it so that the onion grows faster. Gotta make sure that the roots touches the water. Now we'll put it outside for some sunlight and check back in another week. Okay guys, we're 2 weeks past and the onion's roots has overgrown already, so we will be transferring into this taller glass. Hey guys, it's been the 5th week and although the roots has grown really long, but the shoot however isn't growing. So we decided to transfer it into the soil and cut off the top part. Hopefully after that it can grow much better. Alright guys, it's 27th September, the end of week 6, and the onion has grown so long, you will be surprised when you see it. As you all know, one of the problems is that until week 5, the shoot haven't came out, so we had to bury it in soil, but after that, the shoot grew really long. So that was one of the bad things, the shoot came out a little late. But other than that, it grew really long. And besides getting a good grade in this onion, I can also do this. Delicious. If you like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!